In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for a video copyright claim on Facebook. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into the process. So first things first, you want to open up your browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you prefer. Just type in the URL for Facebook, or simply search for Facebook in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the site, it's time to log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials so you can access all the necessary features. Now that you're logged in, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon there. Click on it. This will take you to your profile, where you can manage your settings and view your posts. It's important to be on your own profile to effectively check for any copyright claims against your videos. Next up, we need to navigate to the Help section. Again, look towards the top right of your screen. There you should find an option labeled Help and Support. Click on that. This will open up a menu with a few different options, but don't worry, you're on the right track. Once you have clicked on Help and Support, you're going to want to find and click on Support Inbox. This is a crucial step because this is where you will receive notifications about any actions that have been taken concerning your content and any claims that have been made. Now that you're in the Support Inbox, look for an option labeled Your Alerts. This is where things get a bit more specific. You'll see reports that you've made on others, content, and, more importantly, reports made against you. If you have any video content that's been flagged or reported for copyright issues, it will be shown here under the section that indicates copyright claims against you. Keep in mind, though, that just because you do not see any copyright claims here, it doesn't mean you're out of the woods. Facebook's systems might not have recognized a potential violation yet, or maybe it hasn't been reported by anyone. It's always good practice to periodically check this section to stay ahead of any copyright issues, especially if you're actively uploading content. If there are indeed any copyright claims listed in this section, take note of the details. Facebook will provide information that can help you understand what has been claimed and the nature of the claim. You may either need to respond to it, dispute it, or simply acknowledge the claim depending on the situation. If you check this section and the message "No violations" appears, take a sigh of relief, but remember that this is just one moment in time. Content ownership and copyright concerns can change, so keep your attention on your content, ensuring you have rights or permissions for the videos you upload. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to check for video copyright claims on Facebook. It's a straightforward process, but being diligent about these checks can save you a lot of headaches down the line. Remember, copyright claims can have significant implications for the visibility of your content and your account status, so it's always best to stay informed. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe for more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me continue creating useful guides. Thank you for joining me today, and best of luck with your Facebook videos.